Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. Today, let's continue our journey on LeetCode. It's the first problem of daily challenge on August. This one is detect capital. We're given a word. We need to judge whether the usage of the capitals in it is right or not. We define the usage of capitals in the word to be right when one of the following cases holds. 1. If all letters are capital, like an abbreviation, or all letters in this word are not capitals, like LeetCode, or only the first one is capital. Okay, all the other ones are not. Right, cool. So USA is true, all capital, and the flag, the last G is invalid, right? So for each letter, we have two cases. The first letter, it might be lowercase and capital case, right? If it is lowercase, so what we care actually is the previous one, right? If it is previous one is a valid uppercase, like U, then it's okay, right? It could be followed any word. Or it's the previous one is valid lowercase, then it's still okay. And for if it is uppercase, we check the previous one. The previous one, if it is a lowercase, then it's invalid, right? Because the previous one is lowercase, then it's something like this. It's not okay, right? Yeah, and if the previous one is uppercase, then it is okay, right? Yeah. If there are USA, there's another lowercase at the end. Then for USA here, they all valid because yeah, it's valid. And then there's a lowercase. This lowercase is invalid. The previous one is a valid uppercase, but this lowercase is not valid because if there is a uppercase before a lowercase, it must be only be the first one. So we need to check that also. So for lowercase, if there is an uppercase before it, it must be the first one, right? So that's the invalid case. So we can jump to a conclusion. If lowercase, the invalid cases is pref is uppercase and index okay, it's and not the first letter, right? For all the other cases, then it's valid. If it's uppercase, if have a lowercase before it, invalid. Well, this reminds us that we just keep two flags, right? So the first one is has, we travel through the word, and keep two flags. So first one is have upper, default to false, let has lower, false. And then we will look through the word. Okay, if it is lowercase, we use regular expression to do this. Test word I. If it is lowercase, as we said, if previous one is when it comes to it, to this index, it means the previous letters are all valid, right? So we could just check if the previous one is if there is uppercase or not. If it is a lowercase, we don't need to. So if has uppercase, right? If it's already the uppercase, and what? And there is an uppercase, and the index is not. Index is bigger than okay one. And index, okay, has uppercase, and index is bigger than 1, but like the LeetCode, like case here, it's valid, right? So it probably should be, there will be no lowercase, right? If no lowercase, it'd be all uppercase. If it has a lowercase, it means that these letters are all valid because we come to these lowercase. So the condition should be has uppercase but no lowercase, right? And the index is bigger than 1. In this case, we return false. And we upset it has lower to true. And if it is uppercase, if has lower, then we should return false, right? For all the other cases, it means all uppercase, then it's valid. So we update has upper to true. We just use these two flags to check. And then we return. If all these letters pass, we return true, right? Let's run the custom test cases. True. And we run like USAA, and then USAA, and the USAA, USA, and then USA. We run the code. Runtime error. Index is not defined. Okay, we used I. Okay, true, false, false, true, true. Looks good. Let's submit. Great, it's accepted. So that's it for this one. It's kind of simple, easy one. Hope it helps. We try to analyze the invalid cases and deduct what kind of flags we need, and we just loop through the word. Okay, that's it. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.